Okay, let's see, topic 5, lesson 5, problem 16. These are called composite functions, and it's a dot notation the way they have it written at first. I prefer writing it in the nested parenthesis form. They mean the same thing, just different places in science, math, we'll write it using these two different notations. So just knowing that f dot g, that composite function, means the same as this nested parenthesis. So you start with your g input. So my first one here is -2. And then when that turns into a 1, now I come over to my f formula and look for a 1, and it ends up at 0. So this -2 when input to the g, and then we put the answer from that into f, comes out as a 0. And we continue down the line. We're going to put in a 3 to this composite function here. We put in a 3 to g, which first turns into 1. Then we put that into f, that 1, and it comes out to 0. Now this next one is kind of interesting because when I put this 2 in and get a 2 out, then when I come over here and look, I don't have a 2 for an input, so this one doesn't exist. So then you're going to leave it out of your list. And then we have a 5, and it comes out to a 0, so I come over here and look for 0, which turns into a 4. So these three ordered pairs would be what you would put right in there. But it's a little bit confusing and tricky. I like writing that nested parenthesis form instead of that dot notation. I feel like I can understand better. I'm starting with the G, getting my answer, then putting that into the F and getting my final answer.